as they clinch their fourth straight win for our Christmas game day. And with us tonight are our coach Frank Atienza, and our best player of the game, Jordan Henry. Coach, I'll start with you. Unlike your previous matches, you were not rated at the second half. In fact, you led for the most part of the game tonight. What was your approach to start strong and sustain the lead, and how well did you think your players responded?
Well, I'd like to before I address that, Merry Christmas everyone, and Merry Christmas Indian fans, everyone, Merry Christmas. And all the way to kudos also to the team in my last week. We just want to put it in context, kasi this is a championship caliber team, and medyo they were playing with injuries. So, Akin Mitchell was just activated, CP Banquero was just was coming up an injury also. Alexi was just activated. So maybe we were lucky they were not at their best form. Although they really competed now, and medyo na-challenge na kami. And it just so happened. So we were very happy, just like you said, our previous wins was like we were training at the start, pero ngayon parang we were in control. So it's nice. It's nice when you have a lesson from the last game na hindi kayo nasaktan, kasi we had a slow start there, pero kahit paano we were able to come back and nakuha namin ang win. Usually kasi when we learn the lesson, minsan galing sa talo, galing sa ano, kaya mo nalalaman. So going to this game, we look at that, kung saan kami nagkamali yung game na yun against Ginebra, and kahit paano nagawa namin ang paraan naman i-correct namin. But again, I wanna emphasize na we were just lucky that we got Meralco na hindi pa sila super 100%. That's not taking anything away from them, but we believe they are far more better team because na-play lang sila ng injury this part of the elimination.
Thanks, Coach. Now, Jordan, it has been a good run for the Verge, especially with your 4-game winning streak now to close out the year. But as a playmaker, in what areas you and your teammates did well that you think you could improve even more in preparation for your upcoming games next year?
I think just the additional time that we spent together, we've been able to, just develop our chemistry a little bit more. We've been able to identify our roles a little bit better, and we've been able to play to our roles. And I think we've done a great job of sharing the scoring load and finding the hot hand. And I think that's what makes it difficult to guard, is you don't really know who that's going to be each and every night. And as far as improving, I think we've got a long ways to go. We're still young, we're still figuring our identity out. Obviously the past few games we've found ourselves in 17-point, 20-point holes to start the game, and we did manage to crawl out of those holes, but it just makes it really hard to win those type of games. So we need to, like we did tonight, play 48 minutes and compete from the tip off to win the game ends.
Now we open the floor for our friends from West.
Coach, myself and Merry Christmas. Just mentioned earlier that facing this team, you guys had the championship hybrid. But with the roster that you got heading into the next game, what was the confidence level for you and the whole squad looking on this Christmas Day game against the Bulls?
Well, siguro we're just looking at it as a blessing, and kasi this is however young yung franchise namin is, medyo 3 years old pa lang. So talagang ito yung una namin na Christmas Day game. We wanna prove our worth na worthy kami of playing in big games, in big days like this, and we want to inspire. So sa mga nanonood, sa families namin, I think almost everyone of our families with us. So siguro the inspiration to compete, the inspiration to do our best, to lay down in the line, to nag-value each time out. I mean, we have a couple of guys in double digits. We have Jordan here having 8 assists, total 25 assists as a team. Medyo malaki yun. We want to do that, to play as a team, to run our system, to defend as a team also. Whenever you do that, good things happen. Yeah, so we want to continue learning. We believe na yung ceiling namin for improvement, medyo malaki pa. So we want to hit that, we want to continue improving. But we know that as we are doing this, medyo lumalaki yung mga targets sa likod namin. Magagaling yung mga ibang coaches dito. All the other 12 teams have smart and high IQ players and coaches. And I'm sure ngayon pa lang yung mga next na mga kalaban namin, they will be ready. And we will be tested. But we will be ready for that. Yun naman yung essence of competition. You want to always be your best.
Question for Jordan. Jordan, first main Christmas Day game. Is there anything special for you that you this day's game? Do you approach it normally, or do you feel like this is a special game for you that's why you performed the way you did?
No, I try to approach this game like I approach every game. You know, I think that's part of being a professional. You have your routine and you try and stick to your routine with every single game. You know, obviously there was a little extra excitement, you know, but I'm a little bit used to it. I've played on Christmas Day, you know, for as long as I can remember in every year of my professional career. So, but it was a little bit different here in the Philippines. I think we celebrated better than anyone else. So there's a little bit of extra excitement there as well.
Coach Franco, talk about yung the values during this week on Christmas Day kasi syempre may exposure for teams playing on this day and for a young team like Converge. Ano yung value for the signing ng team nyo considering you're young and you're taking down Philippine Cup champion tapos mamaya double header isang rivalry. Just your place in that kind of celebration.
Thank you. Sa amin naman, we're just taking it each game at a time. However cliche, talaga you are just as good as your last game. So, you might say, you might argue na we are on a winning streak. Pero, yun lang naman ang kaya namin gawin na to put ourselves in a situation na somehow at the end of eliminations, medyo maganda yung place natin. And as we are doing that, we are knowing ourselves better. We are able to play off each other's strengths, see our weaknesses, and improve on those weaknesses. It's just being grateful. When you are grateful, you do your best. When you are grateful to be ready. And this is one thing also being grateful to play on a big day, on a big day like this na Christmas, to inspire and to give all of those to our team.
For the past few games, you're scoring a straight up while still maintaining your assist numbers high. So, are you able to, was there a change of mindset from your part, and how are you able to do that balancing scoring and facilitating your game?
No, I don't think there was really a change of mindset. I think it just kind of took me a few games to get going, a few games to get in game shape, and you know, I'm excited to be there and to be finding my groove. You know, I'm thankful to the coaching staff and the management for you know, having the trust in me to give me the responsibility to have the ball in my hands. And I take that responsibility seriously. And I'm not just trying to, you know, get my own buckets, but I'm also trying to make the best decisions for my team. I think I need to do a lot better in terms of eliminating my turnovers, but I am trying to find my teammates as well. And you know, whether that comes as assists or hockey assists, whatever it is, it's, you know, that's what's best for the team, and that's great.
Coach, your season 20, you're within the top 4 incentive, so are you chasing anyway, what's happening in incentives to the quarterfinals? Are you parang hindi na ba yung nakakapag mo to every day?
Actually, gitna na ng elimination, so medyo maaga pa. That's what I said earlier. One game at a time lang. So we are happy with this week. Pero after today, we look forward to our next game, which is next year na against Capital. Thinking about the placing, thinking about the incentive, medyo malayo pa yun, wala pa siguro sa amin yun. We have, if I'm not mistaken, we have 5 more games left. Yun naman ang isipin namin. And then, when we get there, we're going to cross the bridge when we get there. Doon namin ang isipin yun. Basta sa amin, every game that we play, we will do our best. We will lay down whatever we do. And then, pag napunta natin sa mga places, yun na kami mag-isip at the end of the eliminations.
That's it for our post-game press conference. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations.